It is chicken, technically, but not as we know it. You're looking at food that actually came from cells from a chicken rather than the chicken itself. Now, the US has given 2 firms the green light or permission to start producing lab-grown chicken products. They're called Upside Foods and Good Meat. Their cells are grown with the help of nutrients like amino acids in massive bioreactors. As you can see, it kind of looks like a brewery. And Upside Foods chicken is already on one restaurant menu in San Francisco. Uma Valetti is the CEO. He joins us live now. Uma, thank you so much for being with us. So from how I understand it, this is derived from live animal stem cells that then multiplied and eventually become muscle, fat, and connective tissue. Just explain to our audience the sort of process by which this kind of chicken is produced.
Zain, thanks for having me. Delighted to be here. So Upside Foods is cultivating chicken directly from live chicken cells. And when I say live chicken cells, we take like a drop of cells from either a chicken or an egg, and we provide them with rich nutrients in a clean, controlled environment like the one I'm sitting in. And after 2 to 3 weeks, the cells do what they naturally do when they get good nutrients. They grow. And after 2 to 3 weeks, we harvest it. There is no slaughter in the process, and we make products we love. That could be a chicken breast, a chicken fillet, or a sausage, or simply Southern fried chicken.
It's interesting because I'm wondering, who is the target audience? So, obviously no animals are slaughtered in the process, which is obviously good, good news. But, if you're targeting obviously people who are vegetarian or vegan or people who don't want animals to be slaughtered, then there are products like Beyond Meat, Impossible Foods, for example, that use plant-based protein. This is not that. So who is your target audience?
I mean, right front and center, we're looking at people who love eating meat. And as humans over thousands of years, we've evolved with the love for meat always at the center of plate. And that's the group that we are targeting. Anyone who loves to eat meat from real animals and animal cells and want to maintain the traditions and cultures in any dish they cook, in any cultures that they come from. Because meat is such a universal, desirable food for us. What we're trying to walk away from is the downsides of how we bring meat of that scale to the table. And this is the opening bell in declaring that, yes, we can bring the meat we love from real animal cells by growing it directly from the cells versus trying to grow an entire animal, slaughtering it, and then dealing with all the downsides in the intense animal production.
All right.